Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. One of the most important points that we as a human being have to take attention is learn about our abilities and how we can use these abilities to improve and achieve our objectives in life. If you don't know what is your main abilities, what kind of actions you don't make so good and will need to improve, and what abilities you're more especially and kind of things to make, you need to look inside actions, your specific your features, and try to identify this kind of point you can or may use in your life to generate income as in a student in your job, in your family, your relationship. And it is important in first place you look inside your own perspective to observe and learn more about you. Then let's swim with me and look more about your abilities. Learn more about you and identify what abilities you may use to achieve your objective in life.